Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. I'm going to have a look at the welder to see if we can work out what the problem is. So let me flip the camera around and do some explanation. Bear with me. So for those of you that don't know, I have the Clarke MIG 151TE Turbo welder. So what's happening is, or what seems to be happening, obviously you got the spool there, it comes up into the tension and then onto the barrel, and then obviously this is the tension, and we think there is something wrong in this section, or this sort of motor section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to take stuff apart. First of all, we're going to take the barrel off, see if I can see anything in there, see if I can see anything on the grooves and everything. So I'm going to set this camera aside and we'll see what we can do. Before I do that, have a listen. So that's the response we are getting from the welder. So like I said, I'm going to take the barrel off first and take it from there. Right, I've taken this apart. I'm not really sure what I'm looking for really. That bearing doesn't seem to be in the best condition. It doesn't seem to spin very free. I'm not sure. That might just pop out. I might just. Oh, there we go. There we go. Right, so again. Doesn't seem in the best condition, to be honest. That's the bearing. You're really limited to what you can and can't take out of this. Really, it's is there something missing from my spool? This is what I've got from a spool. Is that right? I don't know. Does that look right to everybody? So I know a few guys have got Clarke welders, so I'm a bit of a loss really. Like I say, I'm not happy with the condition of that. That doesn't look too good at all. It's very pitted, and obviously the bearing as well. It's not the best. So, you know, is that the combination? Is that what's causing the problem? I mean, the bearing's quiet enough, but it's full of dirt. So, is that enough to stop it from feeding? Maybe. What I'll do is I'll clean all that off. I'll try and clean that. I know that's a serviceable item, so I will probably replace that. We'll look at the grooves in that there, where it's missed in the past. It's not the best, is it? It's a 0.8 and a 0.6. So again, you know, is that causing the issue? It's all unknowns really. I'm going to upload this from there. I'm going to clean that bearing up, put it all back together, and then I'll see what people think. So I'm going to try and get this video up tonight. See, I don't know what I was expecting to see really. I was hoping something was really obvious. I like to set things apart, but maybe not maybe not too good at putting them back together. I mean, that's simple. I can put that back together, but I was hoping to see something really obvious, and you know, that bearing, is that enough? I don't know. I'll upload this video anyway. See if get in the comments, see if you can help me out. Cheers guys.